Okay, bye.
The next topic, role of nurse in community mental health services. What is main role of the community mental health services? Main here nurses is there na. What is main services? That nurses services. Main here, nurses play an important role in providing and successful implementation of various services under community mental health services. Main here, nurses total observing of the community peoples, whoever have the problem, how to you can implement of the services in the community areas. Like that, total discussing to the main nurses, how to provide the services, which services, how to you can implement this and all. This channel will see in the this role of nurse. Main here first one, teacher role. Main that nurses maintaining of the teacher role. How means the nurse organize various teaching program for the community people regarding health promotion. Main see example I am faculty. Now I am taking class now like a teaching role. Whoever have the health problem, that time I am taking like a nurse role. Main different role here also. Nurses related situation, related particular problem, you can maintain of the your roles, nurses roles. Main here first one, teacher role. In nurses also very important of the one of the teacher role. Here, like a teacher's main organize of the teaching program to the community people regarding health promotion. Regarding health, how to you can promote to the related health, this and all, like a differently you can teach to the community peoples. How can you can take care of the care, how will maintaining of the care, and this and all you can tell to the you can tell to the community peoples like a teaching way. Just you can explain to the community people like about the health promotion, health maintenance, and actions taken by community people, how we can take care of the, how we can take up action about the health, this under just you can explain, you can teach to the community peoples. And she also she means a teacher role. Teacher like nurses, she also provide individual and group health teaching regarding prevention of mental illness. Main teacher like a nurses teacher like that doing what they're doing means providing of the individual group health teaching. They'll providing of the health teaching to the group wise individual means like regarding prevention of mental illness and promotion of mental health. How to you can prevent of the mental illness problem, how can provide up the mental health, this and all, how to prevention, how to promote the mental health, this and all regardingly that nurses they will explain to the individually and group wise. Because of that not teach, in case I'm not teaching like a group wise means in your X group, in case I'm not teaching the X group means you can't understand na? I'm explaining only individually, only one person means that person also only understanding. That's why in teaching role also you can about regarding of the mental prevention of the mental illness and promoting of mental health. Just the teacher you can explain individually, group wise to the community peoples. And she conduct counseling session to deal with the stressful situation. Whenever you get, whenever patients have, whoever have to the stressful situation, how to conduct of the counseling. In case she will identification of the community people situation, stressful situation. In that stressful situation time only, this like a teacher role, like they will conducting of the counseling and dealing of the particular in the stressful situation time in life, which can be contribute in occurrence of mental illness. In the life, whoever affecting of the mental illness, that time immediately you can conducting of the counseling related particular problem. That is a main teacher role. Teacher role means the teacher organize of the about regarding health problem, and whoever affecting of the particular problem in the community peoples, in that community peoples she will explain to the and health education giving to the regarding a particular problem. This is a main teacher role. And coordinator role, coordinator means main you can maintaining of the coordination between team members, means between two members or between two team members you can maintain the coordinator. Main nurses also can maintaining of the coordinator role. Main, please keep mute. Muslima, keep mute, ma.
Kita.
Muslim. Okay, coordinate role main. Nurses coordinate among various members of healthcare regarding various services. Main coordinate, you can maintaining of the coordination to other team members because of your main like regarding various services, facilities. Other peoples also they will think they will providing of the some facilities and services. That's the main nurses you can maintaining of the coordinate to the and other team members like regarding like a services, facilities provided to the mentally ill patients and community people. How to you can provide the services? How can you provide to the facilities to the whoever affecting of the mental ill patients and in the community peoples? You can maintain up the coordination other team members. They will also help. They will also provide to the services and facilities to the whoever affecting of the mental ill patients in the community areas. Main this coordinator, this will help optimum utilization of the services. Main whoever maintaining of the coordination, the people will maintaining and utilization of the good services to the patient. Yes, sir. In case students now example you are not cooperation to in case I am taking class now that time you are not coordinate means what happened you can't listen properly. I can't take class also. Once you are cooperating and coordinating with me means I will take nicely class. You are also listening nicely. Like this also coordination very important in the each community nurses. That's why whoever have to do coordination with the other team member that you can easily you can utilize of the good health services. That is a coordinator role. Next, legion role. Legion role means particular topic role. Nurses also they'll maintaining of the office work. Legion role means like related office work, like a officer. They will do of the like a officer role. In nurses like a one of the family, one of the friend, one of the teacher, one of the domiciliary, one of the advocator, one of the counselor. Like the different roles have to the nurses. These are the one of the legion role, like a officer, like a officer role. Main nurses work as a liaison officer for link among the patient. Among the patient means related patient, whoever have to the particular problem in the patient, then related problem only they will doing like officers work in the particular patients. And family members, healthcare team and other members associated with the care of patient with mental illness. Whoever affecting of the particular problem and whoever affecting of the mental illness, that time liaison role officers workers like officerly they're doing up the work and family memberly and healthcare memberly and other team member like doing up the one of the role nurses they'll providing of the patient with whoever have to the mental illness people that time you can provide the care. See liaison work means like she will do nurses they will do officer work like a family member like health team member like other member like a she will do up the roles like a liaison roles with different roles have to the nurses after you can take care of the whoever affecting of the mental illness. That time you can give the some care to the patients. That is a liaison role. Different role in the working time. Next, clinician room. Clinician role means like related clinics. Nurses main renders direct nursing care to the patient. The nurses render the direct nursing care to the patient with mental illness and provide support and guidance to the family members. See, whoever affecting of the nurse patient's mental illness problem, that time this clinical role nurses providing of the supporting and guidance giving to the family members in managing with mental ill patient at home. In home also, whoever in the mental ill patient, that nurses only clinic nurses only they will managing to the particular in the home mental peoples and they will only providing of the care and supporting to the and guidance giving to the family members. Main clinician role, she also arrange of occasional guidance and assistance for family for mentally ill patients in the community. In the community, whoever affecting of the mental ill patients, that time she also arranging of the occasional guidance. Means she arranging of the guidance, supporting and care also arranging total in the community areas. And nurses contribute in changing in misconception related to mental illness and mental illness. Main nurses can identification of the between mental health and mental illness. Who have the problem, their understanding or not, how they're thinking, faulty thinking or truly thinking. This under total you can observe in the between mental health and mental illness. That is a main clinician's role. Next, domiciliary loan. Domiciliary care means, means their home visiting, home care like. Okay, this tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, nobody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow I will discuss. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.